Hey guys, it's Matt from DNR Auto with another Back to Basics video. Today we're going to be talking about inspecting and changing the air filter in your Jeep Commander. So the first thing you're going to want to do to inspect and change your air filter is going to be go ahead and pop the hood. So down here, we've got the hood latch. Pop that open. Now the hood's been popped. Give it a slight tug, you'll feel that it's locked in position by a latch. There's the bar there that holds it. Over here, there's a little latch. Lift it. We're good to go. As you guys can see, the latch mechanism, push it to the side, it'll release and open right up for you. Now that we're under the hood, we want to go ahead and locate the air box, just right here. This houses and contains the air filter and filters the air that comes into your engine. As you can see, it's held together by these little clips, so you want to pop up and push back. That will unlock the one. And on the other side, this one's actually quite accessible from this little hole in here. So pop up, pull back on it, and now you can lift the front of this up and the whole thing will come and open up for you. So now that we've got that done, we can go ahead and remove the air filter. Pro tip, now's not a bad time to go ahead and if you've got a little vacuum or something, go ahead and clean out all the junk that's clogged up in your air box and sitting there. The air filter is an important part of your vehicle's engine. It filters the air that the engine takes in, which then mixes with gas and combusts to make power. As you can see, this filter is quite dirty and clogged up. After some use, you're going to get dirty, clogged up air filters. Some of the downfalls of having a dirty, clogged up air filter would be decreased gas mileage, also decreased engine performance and power. It's a very simple thing you can do to help restore your engine's power and gas mileage while effectively keeping an eye on what's going on. Now here I'm going to show you guys a quick comparison of the old air filter to the new. Now this has a little bit of fuzz and stuff on it because I had set it down face down underneath this dirty hood. But now that we've got this in place, we can go ahead face down, back in here, and it'll line right up. Now there's a little trick to putting together this air box when you're going back together. You can't really tell, but when you lift it up, you see those slots? Those 3 slots, or 4, I apologize, 4 slots need to go into the 4 holes. Go ahead and line those up first when you're putting this air box back together, and it'll make it for a much easier time. As you can see, get those lined up in there. And once they're all lined up, give it a little push in and a push down. Once you've pushed down, you can go ahead and clip and lock and clip and lock. Now it will provide a nice airtight seal, and you've now changed the air filter in your Jeep Commander.